Turn it back up if I have more room, because we only literally have like 10 feet.
Cool. Oh, Tarek style in between the trees.
Oh! I failed out. I was too close to
That
the
was
tree
awesome.
trunk.
We can still go. Those were some great saves. It's not going to show on video, but that was super close to hitting the tree.
Dude, I was up against it. I was worried about the tree trunk again.
We still have
There's
a
only
little
so
left.
much this helicopter can handle. It's like the fourth or fifth crash of the tree.
No impact yet, still.
Oh, I hit the tree. With the branches. Look at, see, throttle hold. And I was throttle hold before I hit it and it still kept going. That's what I'm having.
The throttle.
I don't know why it's so delayed.
I'm filming. GooSky S2 Tarek style under the trees.
I got stuck.
That was perfect.
Hold on. Look at, it's on throttle hold.
It was still spinning. With... What an interesting flight.
I just had to set it down. But I set it down, I get the wrong kick. Okay. Oh no, not that. It's stuck. It's stuck. Hold on, don't stop.
Look at the side.
No, the flame. I'm done.
That's the size of the branch that it chopped off, and a little chunk of blade gone too. Yeah, I did see that.
Oh! I was gonna go around it.